Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you all are doing great and I will be really thankful if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. The internet is more than a source of news and entertainment gossip. More and more people are starting their own businesses on internet and making money online, but not sure where to get started. So let's take a look at 7 ways to make money online. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Number 1, one of the most popular way to make money online is by starting your own blog. Use your blog to share hobbies, thoughts, to make real connections with the people. The mechanics are straightforward and you will be able to profit with your blog with online advertising. Number 2, even you don't have your own products or services to sell, affiliate marketing gives you a chance to earn strong commissions through a series of one-time sales. Number 3, another great opportunity to make money online is e-commerce website. This is where you are selling physical products from your web. Number 4, not only you can sell ebooks on platforms like Amazon.com, but you can also sell ebooks directly from your own websites as well. Number 5, online surveys are one of the easiest ways to earn extra cash. Brand name corporations and market research firms are desperately seeking people's opinion on products and services and will offer good remuneration for it. Depending on their complexity, each survey can be worth $5 to $10 or more. Number 6, if you have a specific writing skills or IT software domains, freelancing may prove to be a lucrative source of secondary income. It's not really a passive income stream. Doing freelancing work is one of the fastest ways to generate income. Number 7, offering coaching and consulting is one of the highest priced methods of generating income. After watching this video, start your online business today. Think about it. Making money online is surprisingly easy when you set your mind to specific income goals. Ideally, the activities that you choose to engage in are fun, explore your talents and interests, are worthy of your time, and offer fair compensation. You should have skill, talent, passion, and surely you will get success. Subscribe to Master Tip for getting more informative updates. Thank you.